In the game of power and influence, it is crucial to listen to others. You can effectively leverage that information to your advantage by understanding their interests and desires. The key is strategically using this knowledge to further your interests and goals. It is through this delicate balance of listening, observing, and acting that true power can be obtained. Ultimately, power is not just about having control, but also about using that control to influence others. It is about leveraging your resources and advantages to shape the world around you in a way that benefits you. Remember, true power is about having the upper hand and knowing how to use it wisely and effectively. So next time you find yourself in a position of power, remember the importance of listening, observing, and using your influence for the greater good. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on power and influence.